It's my Beastie Burger. The pound of beef, some grated onion going into it, and grated garlic. I put an egg in it. Salt, ground black pepper in it. Now, mix that up. Over here on the grill, I've taken a griddle and put it right on. The secret to this is mustard. Flip. We're gonna cover it all in cheese. Cover it up. Let that cheese get nice and melted, and now I'm gonna make my special sauce. Mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, pickle relish, cider vinegar, garlic, and onion powder. Salt in there, a little bit of pepper. Give it a nice little whisk. Potato bun, schmear sauce. Burger goes on. Let's top it with some onions. The lettuce put underneath. Another burger. A little bit more onions on it.
I really love the seasoning and the flavor in the patty. There's nothing better than a burger that's slightly sloppy.